name is Mike Greiner, and I'm a bankruptcy attorney with the Financial Law Group located in Warren, Michigan, and I'm here to talk to you today about domestic support obligations and bankruptcy. Domestic support obligations are non-dischargeable in bankruptcy, so don't even ask about it. One of the bigger concerns that I've seen, though, is where the other spouse or the ex-spouse comes in and is concerned about the fact that child support that's owed, for example, would be discharged when someone files a bankruptcy. That type of debt is non-dischargeable in bankruptcy, and there's nothing that the ex-spouse can do to get rid of that. You, as the ex-spouse who is owed this money, do not need to do anything to make sure that that debt gets protected as your former spouse is going through their bankruptcy. That type of debt is non-dischargeable under any circumstance, and it does not require any kind of lawsuit or any kind of action on your part to make sure that it does stay non-dischargeable. There are certain kinds of debts that are created that through bankruptcy that might require some type of action on your part to make sure that they stay non-dischargeable. I'll give you an example. I have one client who, as part of the divorce decree, the spouse who filed bankruptcy was going to be liable for certain tax debts. My client was concerned about the fact that she was being chased by the IRS, so she ended up paying the tax debt and then ended up suing this other person, the ex-spouse who was filing bankruptcy, to try to collect on that tax debt then that she paid. The attorney for the spouse who filed bankruptcy believed that that debt would be discharged in the bankruptcy. I do not believe it is. But either way, when there is a circumstance like that, what I would suggest is that we actually take steps to make sure that a court order gets entered stating clearly that the debt is not discharged in the bankruptcy case. There is a time limit during which that needs to be done, and it's typically within 2 months after the first meeting of creditors, or sometime, in some cases, even a month after the first meeting of creditors. So there's a very limited period of time during which you have to take steps. If you're concerned about the dischargeability of certain kinds of domestic support obligations, feel free to give me a call. I offer free consultations at my office. We're located here in Warren at 12 and Hoover. My phone number is 586-693-2000, and my website is financiallawgroup.com.